If you want to build excitement before your site goes live, a coming soon page in Squarespace is one of the best things you can create. It gives you a clean placeholder page, lets you share your launch message, and helps you start collecting emails before the big reveal. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a coming soon page in Squarespace step by step. And by the end, you'll know how to set it as your homepage so every visitor lands on it first. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, log into your Squarespace website editor. Once you're inside your site, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click Website, then select Pages. This is where all of your main pages, navigation items, and hidden pages are managed. Now scroll down until you find the Not Linked section. This area is perfect for pages you want to build without showing them in your main navigation yet. Next, click the plus icon next to Not Linked. You'll see options for creating a new page. Choose Blank Page if you want to start from scratch, or if you prefer, select a pre-made page layout and pick a minimalist design that matches a Coming Soon style. After that, name the page Coming Soon or Launch Page. Use a simple, clear title so it's easy to identify later. Once the page is created, click Edit in the top left corner of your new page. This opens the page builder so you can start adding content. From here, click Add Section. You can choose a pre-made layout, like an intro section, or if you want full control, choose a blank workspace. A Coming Soon page usually works best when it's clean, focused, and not too crowded, so keep the design simple. Now it's time to add your message. Click Add Block, then select text. Type in an engaging headline or short description that tells visitors what's coming and why they should care. For example, you could say something like, "Our new online store launches next month. Sign up to get exclusive early access." Keep the message short, clear, and exciting so people immediately understand what your brand is about. One of the most important parts of a Coming Soon page is capturing emails. This is crucial because it helps you build your audience before launch. To do that, click Add Block again and choose Newsletter. Once the newsletter block appears, double-click it to open the settings. Then go to the Storage tab and connect it to Squarespace email campaigns or your Mailchimp account. This way, any email signups will be stored properly and you can start building your launch mailing list right away. After you've added your text and newsletter form, take a moment to review the layout. Make sure the spacing looks good, the message is easy to read, and the sign-up form stands out. When everything looks right, click Done, then select Save in the top left corner. Saving here is important so none of your changes are lost. Now there's one final step that makes the page work as your main landing page. Go back to your Pages panel and hover over your newly created Coming Soon page link. You should see a gear icon appear next to the page name. Click that gear or settings icon to open the page settings menu. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the panel until you find the Set as Homepage button. Click it, then confirm by clicking Save. This tells Squarespace to make your Coming Soon page the first page visitors see when they come to your site. And that's it. You've now created a Coming Soon page in Squarespace, added a launch message, connected an email sign-up form, and set it as your homepage. This is a simple but powerful way to build anticipation and start collecting leads before your site officially launches. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more Squarespace tips, website setup guides, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.